In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to hide app icons on your iPhone's home screen. The two ways that we're going to look at are adding apps to and then hiding a home screen page, and then deleting an app icon, but keeping it inside of your app library. And on both of these, I'll show you how to get them back when you want to unhide or re-add them. Let's take a look first at hiding a page. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a new home screen and then add icons to it. For this example, I want to hide this FanExpo app. Press and hold on the app until the pop-up menu appears, and then choose Edit Home Screen. Next, press and hold on the app, and then drag it to the right to add it to a new blank home screen page, and then let go. After that, tap Done on the top right of the screen. Now we can see that this app has its own page. You can then continue to do this if you have more apps that you want to hide. Just keep pressing, holding, and then dragging them over to the new screen here. Once you're ready, press and hold anywhere on the screen to get back to the Edit Home Screen options or the dancing icons. Next, tap the screen option icon down here at the bottom. You'll then get an overview of all of your home screen pages. To hide one of these, along with all of the apps on it, just tap the check underneath of it. When you're finished, tap Done. You'll then be taken back to the home screen, where you can see now that all of the apps along with that screen have been hidden. And you can easily unhide them by just pressing and holding anywhere again, tapping the icon down here at the bottom, and then rechecking the page you want to unhide. The next way to hide an app is by deleting its app icon from your home screen. Start by pressing and holding on the app that you want to hide until the pop-up menu appears. This time, choose Remove App. And don't worry, we're not actually deleting the app from your iPhone. On the next menu, this is where you're going to choose Remove from Home Screen. It'll then remove the app icon from all of your home screens. And now in the future, if you want to re-add the app icon back, swipe all of the way to the last page where you see your app library. At the top, search for the app that you removed, and from the results, press and hold on the icon, and then drag it back over onto your home screen. It'll then be automatically added back. And that's the two easiest ways I've found to hide app icons from your iPhone's home screen.